Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access the deep web safely. Now, in the past I've made a video on how you can access the deep web, but I want to make one in 2017 explaining how you can get onto the deep web. I'm going to make the video better, easier to follow, with more information. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video and I'll show you exactly how you can get into the deep web. Okay, so the first thing you need to download here is Tor browser. This is the only way you're going to be able to get on the deep web, is by using the Tor browser. So I'll leave a link in the description to the Tor website where you can go ahead and download the Tor browser. So just click download and then you want to run the installation wizard here. Now it's done downloading, we can just open the exe file and then run through the installation wizard. Now where you want to install it is completely up to you, but what a lot of people will do is they will install it onto a USB stick so it's separate from their whole computer. That way, if they want to quickly get rid of the USB stick, Tor is going to be gone. That way they'll have no evidence of having Tor browser on the machine and they can quickly get rid of the USB stick if they have to. However, just downloading Tor is perfectly legal and you'll be perfectly fine just installing it onto your desktop. For this video, however, I'm just going to install it onto my USB and I'm going to show you how that would work. So if you've got a USB, then feel free to install it on there. If not, just install it onto your desktop. So it's going to go onto my USB, I'm going to click install, and here we're going to see Tor browser installing onto the USB. Okay, so now Tor has been installed, I'm just going to untick these and then click finish. And now if we go to the USB, as you can see we have a Tor browser folder with a start Tor browser shortcut. Now the next step is completely optional, but I really do recommend you consider doing this, and I'll explain my reason right now. Now the reason you want to get a VPN is because internet service providers can see you're on Tor, even though they can't see your traffic going through the Tor network and they can't see what websites you're on, they can see you're on Tor. Also, if you're looking on the ClearNet for a specific Tor website, they can see everything that you're doing on the ClearNet. So if you're looking for a dodgy website, for example, your ISP may be able to see that and may be able to take action. Personally, when I'm on the deep web, I use a VPN just to be more secure and less at risk. It's just me not wanting to share any more information with my ISP really. Now the VPN that I do recommend is called IPVanish. It's really fast, it has unlimited data, you can choose countries all around the world for a really cheap price. And it's the VPN I'm going to be using in this tutorial. If you want to go ahead and check that out, I will leave a link in the description. However, if you don't want to pay money for a VPN, there are some free ones available which aren't as good, but they do the job. If you're going to go with a free one though, I do recommend BetterNet as it doesn't have any logs. Again, links to that will be in the description. Everything that I say will be in the description. So here I'm on my desktop and I've got IPVanish open. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stay connected to a UK server, but just connect to a different city and then click connect here. And what that's going to do is it's going to connect us to the best city with the best internet, and we're just going to be on the VPN. Okay, so now we're connected to Nottingham and we're perfectly safe behind the VPN. So now we want to go back to the folder and back to our Tor browser folder and start Tor browser, and here's where we can start to enter and access Tor browser. Okay, so when you first click on the Tor browser, it's going to ask you which of the following best describes your situation. In most cases you would make a direct connection to the Tor network, so just click connect. You're probably not going to be using a proxy or anything like that, so just click connect to the first one and you're going to see here we're connecting to the Tor network. If it's your first time loading up Tor, this may take a little while. Okay, so now here we are on the Tor browser. Now there are a couple of things you need to do inside the Tor browser before we actually go and explore the deep web. So number one is never put your Tor browser to maximize on your screen. It's just one of the many things that can be used against you to track who you are. It's a small thing and it's a really small risk, but just don't put it as your full resolution because your resolution can be used to track you along with other information. The next thing you need to do is come up to this onion here and click on security settings, and you want to put this slider all the way up. What that's going to do is disable things like HTML and JavaScript, which can be used to run nasty scripts against you. And now we're on the Tor browser and now we're set to browse. Now the next thing we need is the link to the hidden wiki. Now you may have heard about the hidden wiki. The hidden wiki is basically the portal to all the well-known websites on the darknet. The link to the hidden wiki changes quite often, so what I would do is just Google hidden wiki link like I'm going to do right now. So I've just googled hidden wiki link. I'm just going to click on the top one and just get the link that is shown here. As you can see, I'm looking for the hidden wiki. I'm going to copy that and see if this link's working. Back onto Tor, we can paste it into the browser, paste and go, and because it is Tor and it is the darknet, you are going to have to wait a while for pages to load, but that's perfectly normal. And here we go, looking for the hidden wiki, and now we're on the hidden wiki. Now if you didn't know, the hidden wiki is basically a portal to different places. As you can see, you have financial services, commercial services, domain, anonymity and security, hosting, blogs, emails, social networks, and all of that. Now you can go ahead and look around here and see what you can find. Another place I would recommend if you want to get deep web links is Reddit. People post a lot of good sites on Reddit. And a lot of places they've explored, and often on Reddit you can figure out whether a site is good or bad. Another place I would recommend you get links from is archives. Now an archive can be more sketchy because sometimes they don't actually say what the website is, so when you're clicking on a website it can be a bit of a mystery as to what the website actually is. But all in all, that's how you get onto the deep web. That's how you do it safely. Just don't be stupid and don't click on anything that looks sketchy. So if this did help you, please make sure you leave a like. It really does help out the video. If you're going to go on the deep web or you've been on the deep web, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.